are you doing? I hope you had a great weekend. So I'm very excited. We are opening a brand new subscription to our channel today. This is Rose War Panty Power, and this is what the box looks like. I can tell my cat Emmy got to it. She has a tape fetish, and she just tried to open this box and chew on the tape, but still held together. She didn't get it all the way off, but definitely had her fun. So Rose War Panty Power is a period subscription, so I'm very excited to see what is inside. I have no idea. So like with any new subscription to our channel, I pulled up their website so we can find out some pricing information, learn a little bit more about it because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. But before we get started on that, I just want to remind you all that we do have 3 different giveaways going on in our channel. If you have not yet entered, those are always listed down below in the description box. And I will also leave the link to this box as always, along with a promo code. I think it saves you 25%, so like $5.40 or something like that. It'll all be down below. So what is Rose War Panty Powder? It says, ready for a box full of joy. The price before the discount is $25.20, and there is a shipping charge. And it says, it's all about you and your unwanted guest. Rose War Panty Power, I don't know why that's like a tongue twister for me. They abbreviated RWPP, is a monthly subscription box to empower you during your magical time of the month. Each box contains 15 organic pads, tampons, or both, 2 brand new undies, and 3 to 5 lifestyle gifts and a few samples. That sounds awesome. So I guess each monthly box will have a retail value of at least $60, and you pay just like $25, so that is awesome. It sounds like you get a lot in here as well. So they only carry organic pads, tampons, and liners, and you get to pick what you receive. So if you have a preference, one or the other, or you like both, then you let them know when you subscribe. So I think that is super awesome. But I think we have most of the details we need, so now let's get into the fun part. Let's unbox and see what is inside. When I open the box, this is what I see, so everything is wrapped nicely. It looks like there is a little handout that comes with it, which I love. I love when we get information about the products along with pricing information, and this has both. So this is what it looks like. Let's see, what does it say? It says, welcome to August box full of joy. What's inside this month's box? 100% organic period products, 15 totaled at $7, 2 undies ranging from $8 to $25, along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. And that says, post your box on Instagram and tag us at Rose War Panty Power. And then it lists off like what comes inside along with the pricing, so that is nice, and it lists what our surprise gift is. So awesome. So I will reference this throughout the unboxing so we can get some pricing information. So now let's see what is inside. Wow, it comes very neatly packaged. I love how this looks. I love good presentation. So we have a mix here of tampons, so that is awesome. And they're wrapped up cute, so it looks like we have like regular and super. And then it talks more about the organic cotton. So there are the tampons. And then we have the liners wrapped up here too. This is so cutely wrapped. Let's move on to the next thing. This is by Mystical Blossoms. This is the Breathe Herbal Aromatherapy Inhaler. Oh, and I forgot to say, I guess we already said it, the 15 period products are valued at $7. Okay, and then this is, like I said, the Breathe Herbal Aromatherapy Inhaler with essential oils of eucalyptus, peppermint, fir needle, Italian lemon, cardamom, tea tree, and laurel leaf. So it's packaged in here. And let's see, this is $8. Oh, I've seen these before. This is what it looks like. So for cold, sinus, allergies, headache relief, it's a portable stress relief as well. So directions, place the inner tube about ½ inch away from the nostril and inhale slowly, counting between 3 and 5 seconds. Repeat the process with each nostril 2 to 3 times, and you can use it every 2 to 3 hours. This stuff is awesome. When you're congested, eucalyptus helps so much. So I'm very happy to get this. Sometimes I get allergies. I know a lot of people have been suffering with those this summer. It's been bad. So this is definitely good to have. So you just breathe in. It smells so good. This is so nice. It is calming too, so awesome. This is definitely needed around that time of the month just to get a little bit more calm and just feel good, and just good scents are always nice to have, right? Man, there's some treats in here. Nice. Latte Best Choice Custard Cream Cake. This is a spongy soft cake filled with rich custard cream. Ooh, I've never had this before. So I think these are just like little bonuses, the treats, because they're not listed on here, so that is cool. And then there's Godiva chocolate. Yum, I love having little chocolates. Godiva masterpieces, so there you go. So nice, I love extra treats. Oh, we have something in here by Appeal Cosmetics. We have some makeup. This is Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. This is a big size for liquid eyeshadow. It's a pretty like gold color. So you could have gotten this in gold or rose gold, and this is definitely gold. Does it say it on there? Yeah, gold. And this is $21. Wow, let's swatch it. I feel like Appeal's been making its rounds in subscription boxes. We've gotten a few things by them, and I do like their stuff. It does seem like they like to be a lot of like glittery stuff. Have you guys noticed that? This will last forever. So it's got a brush tip applicator. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, yeah, this will definitely be easy to apply to the lid, and you can build it up if you want, but there is just like one swatch. That is really pretty. Awesome. This is fun to get in here. You know I love makeup. Oh, these are so cute. So this is the mini rose soap set, the pink sugar, and it's rose scented. Okay, let's smell through this. This is an exclusive gift, so that's awesome. This is exclusive to the box. There's 2 rose-shaped soaps. So this is vegan all natural soap, and it is $8 for the set of 2, so awesome. I like rose scent, so good to have this. And then we have Modern Skin Alchemy. This is brightening serum, rich green tea and coffee to help increase circulation while counteracting dark circles and puffiness around the eye area. Use daily for best results. Awesome, so this is a surprise gift, and this has a retail value of $15. I've received some things from this company before, and I really like them. I think their like products are like made with good ingredients, so it's super awesome because that's really important, I think. So this is made in California. This is artisan skincare for body, soul, and peace of mind. So this is under brightening eye serum. So cool, I'm gonna try this out. I have makeup on right now, so I'm not gonna put it on my eyes, but I will try it tonight. And then we have some You're a Genius down there wipes. Oh my god, this is hilarious. You're a Genius. So these are just wipes. There's 2 of them. I think these are always nice to throw in your bag. And they're flushable, and it says they are rose water scent, and they are biodegradable, hypoallergenic. They're by Good Wipes, so that is great. So awesome. And then the last things in here are the 2 panties. I'm excited. So they come wrapped up nicely. Ooh, oh my god, I love this one. And I did tell them my size. I think I forgot to mention that, so when you subscribe, you'll let them know. But this is like a beautiful thong. Oh my gosh, I love this color too. It's like, feels like good material. So this is by Umida Underwear. And let's see. So it's made with 80% nylon, 20% spandex. Awesome. This is so pretty. I love the color. And then the other pair, also by the same brand. This is like regular panties and has flowers on them. So cute. These seem really comfortable too and gorgeous. These are so pretty. I can't wait to wear these. Let's see, what is this made of, if you guys are interested. This is made from 90% polyamide and 10% spandex. Both of these can be washed normally, so awesome. So these have a retail value of somewhere between $8 and $25. So we have 2 pairs of panties. We have the Appeal Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in gold, and you could have gotten this in rose gold or gold. I got it in gold. We have the 2 extra snacks. Awesome. You always want snacks like any time of the month, really. We have the Modern Skin Alchemy, the Brightening Eye Serum, the Mystical Blossoms Breathe, the Aromatherapy, the soap. Ooh, that I just dropped. The vaginal wipes and the tampons and liners, they're both organic. So this is awesome. I think this is a great box and it's pretty affordable. Sometimes these period subscriptions can go up like their price, and getting just the tampons and the pads, like organic ones, because I get a subscription that just comes with organic tampons, and that's like over $15, and that doesn't come with extra stuff, so that's awesome. But let me add up the total value and we can talk a little bit more. Okay, so I got the total value to be $75. I just picked the undies to be $8 each. I went on a lower end, so it might even be more than $75, and you pay $25.20 in shipping, but if you use that code, you save over $5, so I think this is totally worth it. I think this is a great period subscription box. I love that it comes with underwear too. That is so awesome, and they're very cute. And it's a thong and a regular one, so that is awesome. But yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Again, it will all be linked. Everything you need to know is always in the description box, but I am very happy with this. I think it is awesome, so I would love to hear what you think. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!